Tons of fun. Um, fun is fun is the start, and then there is a lot more than only fun. Flow, energy, surprises, challenges. It's a roller coaster, big one. The biggest one is being vulnerable and connecting with that vulnerability and uh, uh, opening up. So, and I think that's going. It's already having a um, positive effect on my posture, standing up more, presenting myself more without fear. So that's the biggest takeaway, I think. Everybody who is looking for growth in a unconventional, not therapy like way of really getting through your own shit. So basically everybody who is conditioned. So okay, start with the greatest impact, I think. There are two moments. One is getting really into my feminine side um, with the whole group, actually. So all the men, all the females, women are in the feminine. And then getting challenged by a conditioning setting of my wife, uh, who is scared. No, it's not scared. Who's triggered by the unsafety of only female, only feminine side. So, cutting this chase short, feeling relaxed in my feminine side, and then getting triggered by a pullback. So, like a rubber band effect, and then have to switching up and keep with the trust the path, the journey. Um, that's I think that's one big part, and the other one is doing a one-on-one body workshop with Ace of Spades, um, which really helped me lose and open up my fear of always being present, always being masculine, and protecting myself into opening up and being vulnerable. So thank you for